Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question and answers of first chapter, that is Introduction to Chemistry. First one, select the correct option. In this question, 4 options are given. Out of these 4 options, we have to choose the correct one. So first number, which of these scientists is responsible for developing a vaccine against rabies? So, first we will check which is the right one. 4 options are given. First option is Louis Pasteur. As we have read, Louis Pasteur had developed a vaccine for rabies and anthrax. So the right answer is Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur is responsible for developing a vaccine against rabies. Then second option. Second question, which of the following is well known for his work on the periodic table? Here also given 4 options. First one is John Dalton. So we have to check which is the right one. John Dalton is best known for the atomic theory of matter, not for periodic table. Then we will check the second option. The second option is Henry Cavendish. So we have to check he is well known for his work on the periodic table or not. Henry Cavendish is famous for hydrogen gas, not for periodic table. So now we will check the third option, that is Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay, Dmitry Mendeleev is well known for periodic table. So our right option is Dmitry Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev is well known for his work on the periodic table. That is C. Number option is the correct one. The next question. A tripod stand is made of. We know tripod stand is an apparatus which is used in the laboratory by us. So we have to choose if the tripod stand is made of which. Tripod stand is made of what? Iron. So the correct answer is iron. Okay. Next question. While heating a liquid in a test tube, the mouth of the test tube should be. We have to. So the apparatus, it is also apparatus. Which apparatus we have used in chemistry laboratory, and this is during experiment when we are going to do any experiment, especially while heating liquids in a test tube. Keep the mouth of the test tube away from your face. We have read. So the right answer is away from you, the first one. Then second. The next question, which of the following is used to stir a mixture or solution in the laboratory? First one is glass tube or pipette or capillary tube. Which apparatus is used to stir a mixture or solution in the laboratory? First option is glass rod. So we have to check each glass rod is used to stir a mixture or solution. Okay. Glass rod is used to stir liquids. So the right answer is glass rod. First one. Then second question. I fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. It is given two words. Out of these two words, we have to choose the correct one. First question. We use dash to increase the yield of a crop. First one is pesticides or fertilizers. Basically, pesticides are used to kill pests, and fertilizers is used to increase the yield of a crop. So the right answer is fertilizers. Second one, fertilizers. Second number question. We use a dash to collect a gas. So the first option is flask or gas jar. As we have seen here, we are seeing here, flask is a glass container to store or heat, not for collecting gas. So then we will check the next one, that is gas jar. Gas jar is used to collect gases. So the correct option is gas jar. We use a gas jar to collect a gas. Third number question. We use a dash for evaporating liquid matter. First option is trough or china dish. Trough, as you are seeing here, trough is a glass wall shaped or rectangular container which is used to hold liquids. Trough we use to hold liquids. Okay, not for evaporating liquids. So we will check the next one. Next option is china dish. So china dish is made of porcelain material and is called porcelain dish. It is used to heat or evaporate liquid substances. So the correct option for this question is china dish. So we used a china dish for evaporating liquid matter. Fourth number question. DDT and BHC are examples of dash, insecticides or pesticides. Insecticides. DDT and BHC are examples of insecticides, not the pesticides. Okay. Fifth number question. Oxygen and nitrogen were discovered by dash, Joseph Priestley or Henry Cavendish. Joseph Priestley, he is famous for oxygen. Okay. So the right answer is Joseph Priestley. Here it is even nitrogen also, but it is silly mistake is here. Nitrogen is was discovered by someone else. So you just have just write oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley. Okay. Nitrogen was discovered by Antoine Lavoisier, not by Joseph Priestley or not by Henry Cavendish. So you have to write oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley. Okay. Then part 3. State if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. Here given some statements. If the statement is true, you write T. If the statement is false, you write F. If the statement is false, we will correct the false statement. Okay. The first question, organic chemistry deals with the study of chemical processes in living organisms. As we know, organic chemistry is not the study of chemical processes in living organisms. Biochemistry deals with the study of chemical processes in living organisms. So you just write this sentence, then in bracket you write F, and the right answer is you write biochemistry deals with the study of chemical processes in living organisms. Second question, preservatives are chemicals that are used to prevent food. This is a truth statement. So you write in bracket T. Okay. The next one, William Ramsay discovered atomic nucleus. As you can see, William Ramsay was not related to atomic nucleus. Okay. So we have to find out which is the correct one. The correct one is Ernest Rutherford. This one. He discovered the atomic nucleus. Okay. So the correct answer is Ernest Rutherford discovered atomic nucleus. Next one, retort is used in distillation experiments. Yes, this is the correct answer. Retort is used in distillation experiments. Next one, spatula is used for transferring solids from one container to another. As we know, spatula is used for transferring solids from one container to another. So this is the right one. So you have just write in the bracket T. Part 4, match the following. Column A is given. You just write column A, then you have to choose the correct one from column B. So I have wear gauge. We know wear gauge is an apparatus and it is placed on tripod stand. So the correct one is B. Second one, Dmitry Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev is related to periodic table. The correct option is D. Arrange elements in the increasing order of their atomic weights. Third one, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry, it studies and uses instruments and methods used for separate, identify and quantify matter. So the correct option is E from column B. Chemical industry. We know industry produces drugs, fertilizers, detergents. So the correct one is first one, A. Insecticides. The last one, insecticides. These are used. Insecticides are used to get rid of crickets. Crickets is a type of insect. Okay. So next we will discuss the other question and answers on the next class. Thank you.